Alright everybody, I've got my Beats Studio Wireless. As you can see, the foam ear pads are just trashed. Headphones still work great, but this stuff kind of flakes off, as you can see. From the factory, where they join these two pieces of fabric, they are glued, they're not stitched. So what I ended up doing is getting online Wicked cushions. Got some replacements. These ones are all stitched, and they're actually a 1/4 of an inch thicker than the factory ones here. So I'm going to show you guys how to replace these. Super easy. Pretty much this seam right here, held on by 3M tape. So you just got to get in there and kind of work it loose all the way around. You can see it starts to separate. Just work it around. See, just like that. And I always like to make sure that this is all nice and clean, and that actually came off super clean. So on these Wickeds, they've got two different styles here. You can see they've got the cutout here and the cutout there. No cutout there. So this pad is actually going to go over here. That's where the charging port is. It's got these little dowels kind of to line up. So you can see when I flip this over, these two are going to go right there. So I'm just going to go ahead and peel it off. Just like so. I'm going to line it up. Line it up on that one dowel. And then line it up on the other side. Okay, it's on. Give it a good push. On the instructions on this, what it wants you to do when you get these installed is get like some books or something and open them up and have them sandwich the books for, they say, 24 hours. I actually did this on another set of my Beats. I've got a black pair, and I didn't do that. I just let them sit over my my banister of my stairs for about 2 hours. They're still working great to this day. So these headphone cushions, I believe, were $20 or so. Feel really good on the ears on my black ones. Get this off of here. This one's not coming off as easy. It's pretty stuck. Let's just tear this off. Let's see what we got under here. It's got some residue. So this piece, I believe, should pop off. Let's give it a little bit of a pry and see what it does. Might just be on there really, really good. Alright, so yeah, that one was a little bit harder to get off than the other side. It was pretty stuck. So I'm going to go through and just clean off all this sticky stuff. Okay, ready for the next side. Go ahead and tear off the protectant from the sticky stuff. The 3M, so it's really good stuff. Left a little piece on there. Alright, And what I like to do on these, so you can see how this other side, it doesn't really have a definitive notch cut out like this one did for the charging port. These 3 dowel pins here will actually line it up for you. You can see those spots. What I found as well is I like to put this seam on the bottom so it's not seen. So I'm just going to do that. Very sticky. All right. Give it a good press. Okay, now I'm gonna go and just put it on my banister. I'm gonna open it up and just put some tension on it, and it's gonna straddle my banister, and it's gonna keep some tension on that 3M just to make sure it sticks up. But as you can see, looks a lot better than it did before. Highly recommend the Wicked cushions. Got it on Amazon. Really good price. I mean, and the quality compared to the ones that come on that are just, it's night and day. So, alright, well, if you guys like the video, please subscribe, like it. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. And appreciate you watching. Thanks, guys.